Today, we're diving into a topic that might seem a bit daunting, but is absolutely crucial for anyone doing business in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Filing your taxes. First things first, let's talk about who needs to file. In Saudi Arabia, the primary taxes for businesses are value-added tax, or VAT, and zakat, or corporate income tax. If your business has an annual revenue exceeding 375,000 Saudi riyals, you're required to register for VAT, for zakat, and income tax. Pretty much any commercial entity operating in the kingdom is subject to these regulations. It's not just for big corporations. Even small businesses and sole establishments need to be compliant. So, where does this all happen? The main stage for all tax-related activities in Saudi Arabia is the Zakwa, Tax and Customs Authority, or ZATCA. Their website is your most important tool. You can find it at zatca.gov. SA. Go ahead and bookmark this site right now. You'll be visiting it often. The portal is available in both Arabic and English, which is incredibly helpful. This is where you'll register your business for tax purposes, file your returns, and make payments. Let's walk through the initial registration. Before you can file any returns, your business must be registered with SATCA. You'll need your commercial registration number and other official business documents. On the SATCA portal, you'll look for the registration section. The system will guide you through a series of questions about your business activities and financial information. It's a very streamlined, digital-first process. Once you complete the registration, you'll receive a unique tax identification number, or TIN. This number is your golden ticket for all future tax interactions. Now, let's tackle VAT, as this is one of the most common filings for businesses. VAT is charged at a standard rate of 15% on most goods and services. As a registered business, you collect this VAT from your customers and then remit it to the government. The filing frequency depends on your annual revenue. If your revenue is over 40 million riyals, you'll file monthly. If it's under that threshold, you'll file quarterly. The VAT filing process itself is done entirely online through the Zakka portal. When you log in, you'll navigate to the VAT section and select File a new return. The online form is structured like a simple table. You'll need to enter your total sales for the period, which is your output VAT, and your total eligible purchases, which is your input VAT. The system then automatically calculates the net VAT payable. It's crucial to have meticulous records of all your sales invoices and purchase receipts to fill this out accurately. Double-check your numbers before submitting, as amendments can be complicated. After you've filled out all the required fields and confirmed the amounts, you submit the return. But you're not done yet. The final step is payment. Once the return is submitted, the system will generate a SADID bill. SADID is the National Electronic Bill Payment System in Saudi Arabia. You can pay this bill through your online banking portal, an ATM, or your bank's mobile app, just like you would pay a utility bill. It's super convenient. Remember, there are strict deadlines for both filing and payment. Late submissions or payments will result in penalties, so always mark those dates on your calendar. Next up, let's discuss zakat and income tax. These are typically filed annually. Zakat is a religious obligation for Saudi and GCC-owned businesses, calculated at 2.5% of the zakat base or pot. For foreign-owned companies, or the foreign share in a mixed ownership company, corporate income tax is applied at a flat rate of 20% on the net adjusted profit. These filings are more complex than VAT and often require detailed financial statements. Just like with VAT, the annual zakat and income tax return is filed through the Zakka portal. This return requires a lot more detail from your audited financial statements, including your balance sheet and income statement. You'll need to declare your revenues, costs, and calculate your net profit according to ZATCA's specific regulations. Because of the complexity, many businesses, especially larger ones, choose to hire a certified accountant or a tax advisory firm to handle this. This can save you a lot of headaches and ensure you remain compliant with all the intricate rules and avoid any potential miscalculations. Once you've completed the detailed form, you submit it online. ACCA will then review your submission. They may accept it as is, or they might come back with questions or request an audit. This is why keeping organized, clear, and accurate financial records throughout the year is not just good practice, it's essential. After the return is assessed and approved, a SAD bill amount is generated and you follow the same payment process as with VAT. A fantastic resource I want to highlight is the e-services section on the ACCA website. Here, you'll find everything from registration and filing to requesting certificates and checking your compliance status. They also have a comprehensive library of guides, manuals, and frequently asked questions that can clarify many of your doubts. Take some time to explore this section. It's packed with valuable information that can empower you to manage your taxes more effectively. Another platform worth knowing is the Ballity portal, especially for businesses that need municipal licenses. While not directly for tax filing, ensuring your business licenses are up to date is a key part of overall compliance, which ACCA will look at. Similarly, the Ministry of Commerce and Investments website is where you manage your commercial registration, a prerequisite for tax registration. Think of it as an ecosystem of government platforms that all need to be in sync. Let's recap the key takeaways. First, identify which taxes apply to your business: VAT, ACCA, or income tax. Second, register your business on the ACCA portal zatca.gov.sa to get your TIN. Third, maintain impeccable financial records of all your sales and purchases throughout the year. This is non-negotiable. Fourth, be aware of your filing deadlines, monthly or quarterly for VAT, and annually for ACCA and income tax. Finally, file your returns and make your payments on time through the portal using SADed. It might seem like a lot, but once you get into a rhythm, it becomes a standard part of your business operations. The key is to be proactive, not reactive. Don't wait until the deadline is looming to start gathering your documents. Set up a system. Whether it's a simple spreadsheet for a small business or sophisticated accounting software for a larger one, and keep it updated daily or weekly. This discipline will be your best friend come tax season. For those of you who feel overwhelmed, please don't hesitate to seek professional help. There are many excellent accounting and tax advisory firms in Saudi Arabia that specialize in helping businesses navigate the ACCA landscape. The investment in professional advice can often pay for itself by ensuring compliance, optimizing your tax position, and giving you peace of mind to focus on what you do best, running your business. That's our comprehensive overview of the tax filing process in Saudi Arabia. I hope this breakdown makes it feel much more manageable. The move towards digitalization with platforms like ACCA has truly simplified many of these procedures. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up